All right, we're back and it's lesson 7. Jono, welcome, over halfway.
Hey everybody. Yeah, the end is suddenly in sight.
Can you believe it? What's been happening?
Plenty of stuff. I've got the showcase this time around. I had a plethora of options to choose from, so I'm going
Oh,
to
hang on.
feature a
Just
few.
let me hit record and then say that sentence again.
All right.
Hey, Jono, what's been
So
happening?
lots of good stuff on the Share It channel. All of these should be fairly recent if you're watching this as it comes out. But I'll also try and collect the links that I shared. So the first one was from Taya, a student, recreating some user interface pieces, a lovely sidebar, and some drop downs with the Basecamp user interface library, I believe. So
So
kind of taking
Basecamp
some
is
of
a
the
kind of a clone of the famous ShadCN library, but it's kind of very vanilla JavaScript, vanilla CSS, and so it works well with fast HTML.
Yeah. And they were kind enough to share their dialogue as well as the demo. And you can see over the course of the dialogue, they build up all the pieces. And then right at the end, this is that page we were just looking at. You've got the sidebar and the main with the toggle button, the drop down. Um, so yeah, cool to see the kind of progressive building up of a library in a dialogue. Very nice to see that. Thanks, Taya.
Nice.
Um, then another one I wanted to feature was something that is going to be useful in relation to maybe 2 lessons from now, lesson 9, when we'll look at reading and writing a little bit. This was one shared by Frank from PDFs to navigable knowledge. And so this is one of those things where there's many different ways to tackle it, but this was a beautiful, clean implementation going from a PDF turning that into images and then using a model that's been trained for character recognition to then pass those images into nicely structured text. And so they work through the steps piece by piece, very much like inspecting what's coming out, finding issues, improving it, working on these different steps. And so I got kind of curious about the library of like, oh, what is this Mist OCR
Oh
library? I
yeah,
haven't
I
heard of
did
it
that
before.
too. Yeah.
And then, oh, it's got a nice docs page. Wait a minute, this looks somewhat familiar. If you were there for our NBDev lesson, like this looks like an NBDev project. And sure enough, it's actually Frank himself has his library that's built up in NBDev and dialogues